Have you ever wished you could combine your love for pizza and cookies? Well, today, we have the perfect recipe for you: pizza pan cookies. These deliciously irresistible treats are not only unique, but also incredibly easy to make. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. Mix until creamy and smooth. Next, crack 2 eggs into the bowl and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and a half teaspoon of salt. Slowly add the dry ingredients to the wet ingredients and mix until a dough forms. Now, it's time to add our pizza-inspired toppings. Sprinkle in 1 cup of mini chocolate chips to represent the pepperoni. Then, add a half cup of chopped walnuts for that extra crunch. Grease your pizza pan and spread the dough evenly onto it, just like you would with pizza dough. Make sure to leave some space around the edges for spreading. Place the pan in the preheated oven and bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the edges turn golden brown. The center may still be slightly soft, but it will firm up as it cools. Once the pizza pan cookies have cooled, carefully cut them into pizza slices using a pizza cutter. Serve them up and watch as your friends and family devour these unique and delicious treats. Thanks for watching our deliciously irresistible pizza pan cookies recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes like this one. Until next time.